Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to do the cross knotless braid. And if you want to know how to do it, please stay tuned and don't go away. If you're my old subscriber, thank you for always coming back. And so my new watchers, please don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a video. So guys, I'll be dividing her hair into four parts. Two at the front, two at the back. So the what I'm going to use for this tutorial is edge control, rubber band, comb, and expression braid. I'm going to use expression braid for this tutorial in the cut of 3. I cut it cutting 3. So off the camera, I already prepared what I'm going to use. That is the attach, the braid. I already prepared it. So what I'm trying to do now is to section her hair into the parts I'm going to use for this tutorial. It's self-explanatory. I think nothing much to explain. So let's keep watching. Please don't go away. So we are done with the back. Now we're going to start doing the crossing in the front part of the hair. Earlier on, I divided the hair into two parts. So inside the two parts, each of the parts of those two, I will still divide it into three. I'm going to divide it into three, each of them. So each of the two parts of the hair, I'll divide it into three to section it for my crossing. Now I'm done with the sectioning. So as I divided it into three each part, I'm going to still share each of the part into two, just like as I'm doing on the video. I'm going to apply edge control in order to help me hold it very strong. So after this, I'm going to be dividing each of them into three. Just it's self-explanatory. I'm going to divide it, then use rubber band to band it. I'll also cut the other part of it and also use rubber band before I will start crossing it to each other. So I'm going to take the one I did first and cross it to the other one, the other side of the hair. Well, it's self-explanatory, guys. I tried making the video shorter, so but I think with the little you see here, you'll be able to understand the hairstyle and it will help someone. So, and there's also another alternative. Should in case you don't have rubber band, at the moment I use thread as my rubber band. You can use thread as your rubber band. So just watch to the last. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.